1 Minute Flemish Lesson 6.
I'm Kurt.
And I'm Mark. You're listening to 1 Minute Flemish, the course in which we are teaching you Flemish 1 minute at a time. In each lesson of this series, we spend just a couple of minutes learning Flemish, but hopefully you can find lots of opportunities to practice your new words and phrases in between lessons.
It's time to begin today's lesson. The clock is ticking.
So let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. Today we're going to learn how to introduce ourselves. In Flemish, to say my name is, you say,
Ik heet.
I would say, for example, ik heet Mark.
And I would say, Ik heet Kurt.
You try saying this and put your own name at the end of the phrase.
Ik heet Kurt.
Try it again.
Ik heet Kurt.
Repeat it again after Kurt at normal speed.
Ik heet Kurt.
Now, if you can say my name is, then it's also important to be able to ask, what is your name? There are actually two versions of this, depending on whether you want to be formal or informal with someone. If you're speaking to someone your own age or someone younger, in an informal situation, then you would say,
Hoe heet jij?
try saying that again.
Hoe heet jij?
One more time.
Hoe heet jij?
If you're in a more formal situation, then you should say,
Hoe heet u?
now there's just one word that changes there. Listen again to the formal version of what is your name.
Hoe heet u?
Try that one more time.
Hoe heet u? Time's up.
So now you can introduce yourself and ask other people for their names. We'll be back again soon with more Flemish for you. In the meantime, thank you and goodbye.
Bedankt en tot ziens.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.